A rare modern estate with 7 bedrooms, 11 bathrooms and approximately 10,348 square feet of exceptionally elegant living space. Initially, the entryway greets you with lush rainforest and beautifully landscaped pathways, leading you to a striking glass front door that seamlessly blends the entryway with the home's foyer. Upon entry, the 67-foot infinity pool and sweeping ocean views of County Line Beach reinforce this home as a prime example of California-designed indoor-outdoor living. The large living room, dining room, kitchen and bar open completely to the outside, and doors and windows can be hidden at will for an uninterrupted aesthetic. In addition, the property comes complete with a sunken bar, home theater, wine fridge, billiards room, several covered poolside bungalows, outdoor facilities and a kitchen, a lake, saltwater swimming reef aquarium, lift, terrace, laundry room with a dog wash station and 3 washers and dryers, a large gym with entrance catering for trainers and masseuses, a fully equipped chef's kitchen equipped with a separate catering entrance, and a detached guest house with a 2-car garage and a fully equipped kitchen. Ease of entertaining and hosting guests is one of the many benefits of this property, and while guests can enjoy the property's amenities, the master suite can be isolated from the rest of the home to completely private. The master bedroom is located on the 2nd floor and extends to the entire southwest side of the house, with 3 patios, 2 bathrooms, 2 dressing rooms, an office, a bar with sink, panic prevention and hidden side entrance. At the gym, privacy is paramount, as the property is fenced and thoroughly inspected, and although you'll feel like you are right on the ocean, everything around you is completely within view, giving buyers a great sense of security. While there is little reason to leave this quintessential Malibu estate, a private airport is just a 25-minute drive from the coast.